Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative of x squared plus the square root of x minus 2 all over x with respect to x and evaluate this from 1 to 4. Step number 1. What you're thinking about is breaking it apart into 3 smaller fractions. So when you think about the antiderivative of x squared divided by x, that's going to be x. When you think about the square root of x divided by x, that's going to be 1 divided by the square root of x, or in exponent form, x to the power of negative half. And of course, this last fraction, negative 2 divided by x, is really negative 2 times x to the power of negative 1. Again, you're finding the antiderivative with respect to x. When you keep going, the antiderivative of x is going to be x squared divided by 2. When you find the antiderivative of x to the power of negative half, add the exponent by 1. So in this case, half plus 1, or negative half plus 1, is going to be half. And you divide by the new exponent. And of course, don't forget the plus sign. Last but not least, if you find the antiderivative of negative 2x to the power of negative 1, that's going to be negative 2. Again, here's the mistake, right? It's not add the exponent by 1 anymore, because if you do that, you're going to divide by 0. So the correct answer is ln of the absolute value of x. And again, what you're really doing here is you're trying to evaluate this from 1 all the way to 4. So now all you do is this. You plug in 4, so 4 squared divided by 2 plus 2 times the square root of 4 minus 2 ln of 4, and you're subtracting, and you're going to plug in 1 this time. Don't forget the brackets. So this is going to be 1 divided by 2 plus 2 minus, again, think about ln of 1, which is basically 0. And when you work this out, again, you can use a calculator. You can do mental math. This is going to be 9.5 minus 2 ln 4. I hope this makes sense.